MSME stands for micro, small and medium enterprises. These are business involved in production, that is manufacturing, processing or services, recognized as the backbone of India's development. MSME collectively contribute about 30% of India's GDP, power 40% of export and provide over 110 million jobs underpinning both rural and urban economies. Now, welcome to Tech Chanakya. Myself, Anil Diwan. If you run a business or dream of starting a new business or want to know how MSME drive India's economy, this episode is crafted for you only. Today, we are driving into what MSMEs are, the latest criteria, crucial government schemes and benefits available to the MSME, financial solution, tax and legal incentives, and how platforms like Tax Chanakya can help MSME secure bank funding. Government of India revised the classification of MSMEs in 2020 under the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act MSMED Act 2006, shifting from a separate manufacturing or service definition to an integrated criteria based on two factors. First, investment in plant and machinery or equipments and annual turnover. As per the revised norm, effective from 1st April 2025, MSMEs are classified as a micro enterprise, small enterprise, and medium enterprise based on investment in plant, machinery, and annual turnover. MSMEs having investment up to 2.5 crores and having turnover of 200 crores are classified as a micro enterprises. MSMEs with investment up to 25 crore and with a turnover of 100 crore are classified as a small enterprises. In the same manner, MSME having investment up to 125 crores in the plant and machinery or equipments with a turnover of 500 crores are classified as medium enterprise. Both criteria must be satisfied for a classification for an enterprise to be a MSME enterprise. This higher limit means growing business can retain MSME status longer and access more benefits available to the MSMEs. Now, what are the benefits that are available to the MSME in India? The first, collateral free credit guarantee cover. CGTMSE loan, that is the CGTMSE loan for micro and small enterprises has been substantially increased from 5 crore to 10 crore. The limit has been revised in budget 2025. This single provision unlocked billions in funding by reducing the bank risk profile significantly. The second is subsidized rates on loans, priority sector lending benefits, and easier loan application process. The third, custom credit card for micro enterprises, high guarantee cover in 2025 budget, and support for the first time entrepreneurs. The fourth benefit is a new scheme has been launched to empower 5 lakh first time women, SC and ST entrepreneurs with term loan up to 2 crore over 5 years. The fifth benefit is the guarantee cover for startup has been doubled to 20 crores with a reduced guarantee fees of 1% for priority sector, powering the innovation. The sixth benefit is exporter MSME now benefit from term loans up to 20 crore with enhanced guarantee cover, boosting the global competitiveness. Now let's understand the statutory, tax and compliance related to the MSME enterprises in India. MSMEs continue to enjoy critical statutory protection and simplified tax law. The first one is protection against delayed payment. MSMED Act says a statutory mandate that a buyer must pay MSMEs within 45 days or face high penal interest at 3 times the bank rate compounded monthly. Second is corporate tax and presentive schemes. MSME can leverage the reduced corporate tax rate of 22% and even 15%, which is available for new manufacturing companies, or simplify the tax compliances under the presumptive taxation scheme, that is section 44AD or section 44ADA under the Income Tax Act. The third benefit is compliance simplification, which is proposed. Policy recommendations are underway to significantly simplify the compliances, including potentially raising the GST exemption limit, simplifying the GST return, and possibly exempting the MSMEs from mandatory CSR activities, freeing up cash and reducing the administrative burden on MSMEs. The fourth is GST composition scheme for business under 1.5 crore turnover. This provision enable quarterly return and lower tax rates. The fifth benefit is startup exemptions under Section 80 IAC of the Income Tax Act, which provides 100% tax holidays, profit link exemptions for startup incorporated before April 1st, 2030. The sixth is deduction for 30% for 3 years on the cost of new employees under Section 80 JJAA of the Income Tax Act. Other advantages for MSMEs enterprises from the governments are very lucrative. The first one is subsidy scheme for the technical upgradation, subsidized fees for the patent and trademark, and reimbursement of fees for the ISO certification. Now EMD waivers are available for the MSMEs and exclusive tender quotas on the government's e-market portal. Initiatives for the skill development and technology training for workforce modernization. Now, India's MSME ecosystem is rapidly evolving with new criteria, expanded government support, and simplified business law. MSME have an unmatched opportunity in 2025 and years coming ahead. Whether you seek funding or you want to know the ability to become a MSME enterprise or need end-to-end compliance help, or to know more about the government schemes, experienced advisor like Tech Chanakya can open doors for your business growth. A loan under the enhanced limit, that is 10 crore CGTMSE, or a 20 crore exporter term loan required a precise institutional grade documentation that satisfy the highly specific underwriting models of major lenders like SBI, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, or any other banks in India. Tech Chanakya is your specialized financial consultant designed to navigate these high-stake bank protocols. We optimize your financial profile to secure the increased funding limit by adopting a tools, enhance or smart tools, like we prepare a comprehensive credit proposal customized for the specific niche of private sector bank you are targeting or you select, maximizing your chance of sanctions by addressing their exact risk parameter. The second, we work with you to leverage the new 100 crore or 500 crore turnover limits, structuring your loan application to reflect your true scaling potential and justifying higher loan amount under the revised CGTMSE ceiling limit. The third, what we do, we optimize your Udyam registration, preparing CMA data and addressing collateral requirements to negotiate terms with the banks and ensuring timely disbursal of the loan. Tech Chanakya manages the entire process. So don't let bureaucracy or the complex banking requirements put a ceiling on your ambition. The government has cleared the path for your growth to 100 crores and beyond. Tech Chanakya is the expert partner you need to secure the capital required to get there. The time for incremental growth is over now. 2025 reforms demand a bold approach. If you are MSME owner ready to access your new 10 crore credit guarantee or 500 crore turnover limit, connect with the Tech Chanakya today. Thank you.